Father's and Daddy's toys assembled. Today we learned to this new airplane.
Yeah, from the Smithsonian scale model kits. In-air easy build. We're doing this nice jet that we got from the Intrepid tour. Intrepid Museum in New York City.
No, don't fall down.
And Lauren.
Lauren is here as well. Hi, Lauren. Want to show off the jet plane? It's a cool jet plane, huh? It's a model kit, so we have to put it together.
And there's a lot of stuff.
There's a lot of parts.
Yeah, this is a jet, right?
The jet plane.
I'm gonna wait Lauren so you guys could.
Alright, oops.
Don't fall.
Is it like that?
Oh, I think so.
No.
Oh, it's got screws, got a lot of stuff. So you got a lot of parts
He
here.
wants to be part of it.
Oh yeah, Lauren, say hi.
His belly's up. It's cold. Forget my sweater.
Let's take out the parts so we can build it, okay?
Let's leave it like this first.
Yeah, leave out all the parts first.
That's the part.
Messy.
Here's the other part.
Oh.
Here's the part.
Did it hurt?
A little bit, I'm sure.
Oh, ito na sa'yo.
Here's the landing wheel.
Why landing here?
You gotta land.
Why do we need to land?
Can't be in the air forever.
Huh?
Can't be in the air forever. Some more landing wheels. There's a little. Oh, it's a F14 Tomcat. See? Is what it looks like after it's being built.
What's this?
That's the protective cover. Here's the nose, the cone. Yeah. Some more wheels, I guess.
And what's this?
Some screws put together. Oh. Let's get the wings from the bottom.
There you go.
There you go, the wings, and then this is
Battery.
something. I don't know what that is.
That's for the battery.
Oh, batteries? Oh. Where's the instructions?
It's right here.
Huh? Oh, insert the
Come here, Lauren.
cockpit canopy onto the cockpit. So we got this part first, right? Oh, it's flying away. Where's the cockpit? I think there's a lot of stuff to do.
Come here, Lauren.
Wait, I need the instructions!
Uh-oh.
Keeps flying.
So
Oh, here's the
here's
instructions. See?
the things.
Okay, cockpit canopy, good. I
No.
didn't see the cockpit canopy. Did you see the cockpit canopy? Oh, I see it. Because it's clear, that's why it's hard to see. But I got it. Cockpit canopy.
But it's
Don't you need screwdriver?
Probably. So let's put this on here and snap it in. It's gonna be a long video. I think there's gonna be a long video. Let's see, and then insert this one in here.
is it a blaster?
That. Oh, okay, there.
What is this?
How do we get this to work? What's the best way to get this to work? That? Oh, and then let's press that in. Ah, there, see?
What's
That's
this?
the cockpit canopy.
No.
That's to protect the pilot. And then place the fuselage upside down, interlock the two wings together. Interlock the two wings together. Assemble interlock the wings on the short fuselage post.
I'm going to keep
Okay.
it while you guys are here.
Alright, that sounds good.
Okay.
Here, so this one, these two. I'm gonna put them like this, okay? So we gotta open this guy up
What?
so we can put it on.
How do you put this?
So these wings go somewhere. Where do they go? I think they go here. Maybe. Interlock the wings. Alright, place bomb, interlock the two wings together. Don't fly away.
Why not the pilots? Why didn't the pilots need wings?
Pilot wings.
Why?
Oh, that's why. Well, it's an airplane. You need the wings.
How about this
to fly.
wing? Daddy, how about the pilot's wings? Daddy, how about this wing?
Let's put this on pause while we figure things out. So these are thrusters, so we're gonna put it like there. The thrusters go there. Okay.
So we can fly.
So the landing gear goes on the bottom right there. I put that in right there. So we have another one. Let's put it in carefully, like this. And then we twist it. See? See? Now you have a landing gear.
Hello, the
Oh, you okay?
it's hot.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Hot toto.
And this one is the nose cone. We're gonna put it right there.
Oh my hot.
Okay, so this was the tricky part. These two wings. Supposed to go onto these
And
short
this
posts.
one.
Oh yeah, that's the thrusters.
But
So
it.
you,
Oh.
oopsie. So you connect the two wings like that, and these open holes you put onto the short posts.
What?
These short posts. 1, 2. Okay? That's how you do it. You got it, Pat?
The boosters.
Let's do it.
So
Okay.
it's like this.
Yeah, so the wings are on, the boosters are on, the nose cone is on. Now we have to put on the bottom fuselage, okay? And we put the wheels on, okay? So we just got to snap it into it. Let me pause this.
Other way.
Okay, see? I connected it on. So now we just have to screw it tight, okay? Let's do it.
And
So now we're just putting the screws in to the bottom here. See?
this thing.
It's like a bunch of spots to put in the screws, like here, here, here. That's what we're gonna do.
And this one's is the. How this one's
Oh, we'll do that one too.
the pilot. This it's pirate. There's they taught pilot and pirate, right?
Yeah, but we're a pilot this time, not a pirate.
Why? No,
Now you want to see Norn? We're almost done. Then we have a nice plane to play with.
I don't play by myself.
Yeah, you're gonna play with Norn afterwards?
No.
Yeah?
No.
No? What?
Maybe after.
Maybe after. Oh, okay. Well, that's fair enough.
Maybe after I do my. No, not the things. So,
Yeah, so this is the fun part, I guess. The most exciting part, just screwing stuff into the place. But then there was a QC issue. This one, the hole is not drilled all the way through yet. So we're gonna have to use a little elbow grease to get that through.
this
Okay.
one, right? But we need.
So we're almost finished building
So
this thing.
this one is the last one, okay?
Alright. So it's good that they gave us 4 extra screws in case, you know, these get stripped. But we're almost done screwing these things. And I was able to make a guide hole and then punch the other screw in.
And
Pretty tight.
and
They
this
gave us a
one
screwdriver too.
and
It's
this-
magnetic screwdriver. Which is
and
nice.
this one is the last one.
And that's the last part. Just you. Those are the short. So, last step. We're at the last step now. Okay. Put on the wingtips. Yeah, there you go. Good.
I don't know.
Okay. So, Parker's trying to punch it in through here. Okay, I'm gonna punch it in this one too. Oops. Snap it in. Yeah, that's the way to do it. Okay? So you just snap it in. It's a little short. Almost there.
Uh-oh, you're missing. So
Yep.
it's built.
Yeah, this took a little elbow grease to put in as well. Another QC issue is a little, the measurement was a little off.
Yeah.
The peg holes. But look, it's pretty cool. You can spread the wings. Here's your F14 Tomcat. Show it off. Show off your F14 Tomcat. Expand the wings. Yeah. And then put on the landing gear. Nice. That's pretty cool, huh? Looks exactly like the picture. What do you think? It's good? Alright. Recommend? Yes? Good?
Want to do what?
Alright. Say goodbye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. We're going to play with our new jet fighter. Bye-bye.